So in this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble your rear tires for your Venom 110cc mini Madix. So the first thing you're going to need is 3 bolts from your bag, and then 3 nuts from your bag. You're going to need a 13 socket and a 10 socket. So the first thing we're going to want to do is, you can either manually do this by hand, or you can screw it in with an impact gun. Quicker way. I'm going to screw in the back, tighten it right away, and I'm going to do that on all 3 parts of the back tire. Right here. Sometimes it's a bit tricky because of the space you have. Yeah, so I'm just going to hand screw this, the beginning of this one in, then I'll screw it in with my impact gun, if I can get it, like so. Now let's see if we can get the impact gun in there. Just like so. Bottom, I'm going to do the same thing for this one, because it is on the calipers on the brake side. The other side is a lot easier to do, as you can fit the impact gun behind it. I'm going to grab my impact gun and tighten the last of it. From there, I'm going to change my socket to a 13. I'm going to grab my rear tire. So whichever way the arrow is pointing is the way you're going to assemble your rear tire. So this way it's pointing forward. You want it to always point forward. I'm going to slide my tire through. Okay. Now earlier I said you're going to need 3 nuts, so I'm going to grab my 13 socket and 3 nuts. Move out of the way. And then just tighten it. Just like so. And your last one. And that is how you assemble the rear tire on a Venom 110cc mini Madix.